We've had many requests to purchase the silicon graphite power cells as a standalone item. Many of our customers asked us if we would sell them additional cells to expand their machines, and so we did. So we offered to them 6-cell and 12-cell modules, and then we decided just recently that we'd go ahead and offer to the public a standalone item of either a 6-cell or 12-cell module. Now, if it's a Q beta prototype that you're interested in, here's a new 12-cell unit as an alternative to the standard 6-cell unit. This one's shown with the optional UltraCap module installed, which we highly recommend that you do because it acts as an excellent energy buffer between the cells and the machine. This is the 6-cell module with the hardware included. And here is the standard Q beta. It doesn't show the UltraCap module. It's a direct connection, but it does show a high intensity USB LED light, which operates off of the collapsing field of the coils and inductance as well, depending on how many times you pulse it per revolution. That being said, here is the timing disc, and the yellow arrows indicate there's only 2 magnets on the disc, so it pulses all the coils just twice per revolution. But it's your choice to pulse anywhere from 1 to 6 times per revolution. The idea being, instead of the light, you can use these high voltage spikes to charge batteries instead.